Here's the exact roadmap to become a UI/UX designer in 2026. 7 steps, in the right order, so you don't waste 6 months on the wrong stuff. No fluff. Number 200-hour course you'll quit after week 2. Let's get into it. Before you touch any tool, you need to get this straight in your head. UI is what people see. The buttons, the colors, the fonts, the icons. It's the look. UX is what people feel. How easy it is to use your product. How fast they can find what they need. It's the experience. Here's a simple way to remember it. UI is the plate. UX is the taste of the food. You can have a gorgeous-looking app that's a pain to use. That's good UI, bad UX. And you can have an ugly app that works perfectly. That's good UX, bad UI. Your job as a designer is to nail both. Don't skip this step. A lot of beginners jump straight into Figma without understanding this, and it shows in their work later. You don't need to spend money to start. Here's what I recommend. First, Nielsen Norman Group. Their articles are free, and they're basically the gold standard for UX research. Search any topic, usability, accessibility, user testing, and you'll find a solid article. Second, Google's Material Design Guidelines and Apple's Human Interface Guidelines. These are free, and they teach you how real companies think about design systems, spacing, and accessibility. Third, the Google UX Design Certificate on Coursera. The full certificate costs money, but you can audit it for free. That means you get the videos and readings without paying a cent. Spend 2 to 3 weeks here. Don't rush it. This is your foundation. If you want to stay ahead of every design shift, hit subscribe. I break these down every week. Here's where most beginners get stuck. They try to learn 5 tools at once. Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, Framer, all in the same month. Don't do that. In 2026, Figma is still the industry standard. It's free to start, it runs in your browser, and almost every company uses it. So learn Figma first. Start simple. Learn how to create frames, use auto layout, build components, and make a basic prototype. YouTube has tons of free Figma tutorials, including on this channel. Once you're comfortable in Figma, you can explore other tools later. But don't split your focus early on. Depth beats breadth when you're starting out. This step gets skipped a lot, and it's a mistake. Go look at real apps and websites that already work well. Open Mobin or Collect UI. These sites have thousands of real screens from real apps, organized by category. Onboarding screens, checkout flows, settings pages, all of it. Study how they solve problems. Why did they put the button there? Why is this form only 3 fields instead of 10? This trains your eye. It's like how writers read a lot of books before they write their own. Designers need to look at a lot of design before they create their own. Theory only gets you so far. At some point, you have to build. Try the Daily UI Challenge. It gives you a new design prompt every day for 100 days. You don't have to do all 100, but even 20 or 30 will build your portfolio fast. Pick a real problem too. Redesign an app you use every day. Maybe your banking app, maybe a food delivery app. Ask yourself, what's annoying about this? Then fix it in your design. This is what goes in your portfolio, not random tutorials you copied, real problems you solved. Don't design in a bubble. Join a design community. Discord servers, Reddit, or LinkedIn groups work fine. Share your work and ask for honest feedback. It's going to sting sometimes, but that's how you grow fast. Once you have 5 to 10 solid projects in your portfolio, start putting yourself out there. Apply for junior UI/UX roles, internships, or design hackathons. Or try freelancing on platforms like Upwork. Even small projects give you real client experience, and that's gold on your resume. Most people who stay consistent with this process land their first role or client within 6 to 12 months. It's not instant, but it's realistic if you keep showing up. Let's recap the roadmap real quick. 1. Understand UI versus UX. 2. Learn the fundamentals with free resources. 3. Master one tool, Figma. 4. Study real designs. 5. Build real projects. 6. Get feedback. 7. Start applying or freelancing. That's it. That's the whole path. No need to overcomplicate it. If this video helped you, drop a like, it really helps this channel grow. Let me know in the comments, which step are you on right now? I read every comment, so drop your answer down there. I'll see you in the next one.